welcome to Travel Talk Sundays. I'm Zora with Zora's Travel Bliss LLC. In today's video, I will be giving you 10 questions to ask a host agency before joining. Stay tuned. What you'll need to do first: do your research on host agencies. Make a checklist of your must-haves from the host agency. What is your goal? Are you looking to become a travel agent part-time or full-time? Are you in it to book your own travel at discounted rates? The first question to ask is, what is your commission split? Example, some host agencies offer their agents 70% while they collect 30%, or 80% and they collect 20% of the commission. What kind of support do you offer your travel agents? What is your pricing? Are there any hidden fees? Make sure you're getting the value for your money. What suppliers do you offer? Example, Expedia, Carnival, Vacation Access. What are your travel agency credentials? Do you have a ATIA or CLIA credentials? Are you BBB accredited? Is there any quotas or recruiting involved? Is it a MLM company? MLM companies will push recruiting more than actually selling the travel. Is a travel website included? A website is important for running your travel business. Do you have any training opportunities I can attend? It's important to know if training will be provided through the host agency or through the supplier. Do you offer FAM trips? FAM trips are very low discounted trips for travel agents only. What do I have access to on day one? Important to know because some travel host agencies does not give you direct access even after you paid. You have to wait a certain time period. Thank you for watching Travel Talk Sundays. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you would like to see more travel content. Thank you.